Excuse me, young lady. You look so troubled. What's the problem? Hello?
I was attacked by some guys. They took away my cell phone and they almost raped me.
It's as if you're new in this street.
Um, no, not really.
So what are you doing here?
Well, I was going to see a friend of mine.
Okay, please, can you get up? Maybe I can help you. Please. Hello, please. Come, let me help you back. Sorry. Wow, these boys. Why would they even stop this thing they're doing in the streets? What's the meaning of all this? Look at this pretty girl. What did you just do to her?
But is there any way I can at least get my phone back or something? I don't know. I just need help. I have a lot of contacts in that phone.
Okay, you know what? Just calm down. Like right now you look so nervous, okay? Relax, alright? I can help you, okay? Just calm yourself down, alright? Okay. Meanwhile, my name is King David, but they call me K. Alright?
Okay.
Yes. So let's see. Don't worry, I'll help you. I'll figure it out, okay?
Hey! How's this life be? Eh? See, I go to worry me. I just stay for village, they waste all this while. Nothing. What does don't do security? Do security till they die, their father die on top. Nothing to show for. Just 6 months for this compound. See me, see phone. See my Bluetooth. Ah, God. God. I use Abraham, bless you. Hey! Oh, why?
Bluetooth mode.
Now there we did. Hey! Hey, Oga! Obia, what are you saying? Eh? This is the Nigerian police. Everybody attention! If you're an armed robber, cease fire before police will push you out. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, shoot! Hey!
On the beat is too fresh.
I pull on my bad boys on the building. Fami Fanalo. It's the young flow. See, let's go there. Biakene, Imi Fanalo. Imi Fanalo. Biakene, Imi Fanalo. Imi Fanalo. Toi, Biawokem, Imi Fanalo. Imi Fanalo. Biakene, one Imi Fanalo. Hey, see, Biakene, Imi Fanalo. Who can I find me Fefanafo? So can I have to say finazo? Biaja Becky, what was say Finaco? Biawokem, Imi Feneme, Protecane, QFE Femunede, Ichiba, Nambi Roine, QM Mali Fendi Baydeme, Biakene, Opifuno Caneto, same sorry, Opibu Cancanezo, Ete Mwaka, when I'm Mutombo, or Yasieba, Bicopotam Panoso, Nawada, Putacone, Yanga, Ichorema, QF Chikanda, Moju Jebekachi, when they fell listen and me, Bicopotamba Nefo. The money because you were from the Qualagodo. Heavy singing one cat, put the back, he's one on the Locomogia, what an effeminate Bulondo, we put the Seneca, I cannot begin money Bulodo, Nanika, Jacoboko, every single Bulodo, no more Nakaya, make up with different Soko. If you will not be Babala, Manicholi Yamokala, happy fun and magic, this is him again, and money pass on one. If you found out, we go to that. 1 minute, you found out.
why are you thinking so much about just what you took away from me? Those are just little valuables. Just for fun. Okay, just imagine it this way. What if they have exceeded, in taking just your phone? What if they've done something more dangerous than just taking your phone?
It's not about that. It's just that I have lots of contacts, my files, my folders that I use in studying. I don't even know how to cope without them. I don't know what to do.
Okay, fine. See, I understood everything. I'm trying to get where you're coming from, okay? Maybe we can fix this out. Maybe I can figure it. I can help you, okay?
How do you mean?
No, it's not what you think. What I'm saying is maybe your phone could be just a mile away or something like that.
Mile away? How? Are you?
No. Wait. It's not what you think. Okay? See, what I'm trying to say is I know someone that knows someone that knows someone that also knows someone that knows someone, that can call someone that will bring your phone. Something like that.
I don't understand. I'm trying to get the puzzle. You know someone that knows someone that knows another someone that can call another someone to get my phone.
Exactly. You're there.
I see. Um,
Okay, fine. Just chill, okay? Just watch out.
oh,
Yeah. Hello, my guy. How far now? Na me dey talk. Na me dey talk now, King David now. Dave, your man. Na me dey talk. How far? Where you dey? Abeg, you get matter I wan reason give you. Abeg. You go help me now, abeg. See, you dey hear me? You get one thing anyway they collect for that Johnson Street just some minutes ago. Yes. You know those boys where they operate for that street now. Abeg, don't let me put call, abeg. No, you see how you take everything back. I need them urgently, abeg. Abeg, put call for me. Abeg, just call me back. I dey somewhere now, abeg. I dey wait your call. Confirm. My God!
well, I must say I'm grateful for having my phone back. For the fact that I wasn't badly hurt. But listen, if you're the one that orchestrated this whole thing, I think you should get a plan D or plan C or whatever. I mean, just look at it. I feel you did this whole thing just to get close to me or something.
Hey, dude, come on. Why would you think I'll get myself involved in such a thing? Like, who else could believe I would get myself involved in this kind of stuff? It's not me, seriously. I just got attracted to you and I just want to get involved with you. Nothing more, seriously.
Really? You want to get involved with me?
Yeah.
But I think you're telling me a lie. I think you're saying a lie.
Hey.
Just take care of yourself, please. Thank you for everything. Thank you for everything.
Can I at least get your number?
Another hits jam from WAPloaded.com.
Saka! Saka! Saka!
Power off.
What is wrong with you?
Nambo.
Come here. This MP3 will put you in trouble one day. Huh? What's wrong with you? I've been calling you since.
Don't be offended.
Take.
I talk up. God. Now you the carry picky when you get anything. Bring her for where you go enjoy. Hi, Oga. You are so omnivorous. I never last for this compound reach 1 year. Now 7 to 8 months. You first surprise me with phone. Not me MP. Now you want to use your beloved car and sow a seed in my life. Oga, I stand today to prophesize in your head. I don't know what you do for a living, but they don't go catch you in Jesus' name.
Something is wrong with you. I'm sure that this music now has now entered into your head. Come and take. You are going to drive me. Take. John is not around. He's on leave. And then Margaret is preparing for her wedding. So you will drive. So prepare the car.
I will be the one to drive you today. All right. Where are you going to?
It's not your business. Just go and prepare and drive. That's all.
Give me some more time. I enter inside package. As you did make I look like that.
I said go and change. You have only 5 minutes. I'm running late.
Yes, but you know the 6 months posting. Yes. Well, it's for 6 months, like I said, but I want us to spend 1 month in Paris, the other one in Milan, and then Berlin, Germany. The other 3 months we spent in a country of our choice. I haven't thought of it. I'll let my children choose. Yes, of course. You know, my children have never been abroad, so I want to afford them this opportunity. Yeah, nice. Listen, once I get back from Abuja today, I would call you and then give you the details of the other one so that we know what to do. For the course in Italy. If it matches, okay, no problem. All right then. Take care. I'll call you back. Yes. Saka, are you ready? You're all dressed up? I hope you didn't carry your MP3 with you.
No, sir.
Because there's music. Open the door, let me know.
Okay.
Open from the car. Saka, open the door.
Open it.
Give me the key. What's wrong with you?
Thank you, sir.
Come on, go down. What are you doing here? Go to the driver's seat. Oh, I thought you said we were going down. Go to the driver's seat. Go to the driver's seat.
Hello, Jerry. Jerry, what's up? Where are you? See, someone is following me with a red car. It's not you. Someone must be tracking me there. Okay. I'll get back to you.
You just follow me around since.
Boy, you fuck up.
Yeah.
You fuck up this guy.
Hey.
You know, see,
So you dey fear like this?
Why I no go fear?
Hey.
Why I no go fear? See, make I warn you, better change, oh. See what you talk for they do for town. I'm not going to follow person up and down for street.
Don't worry. Just calm down.
Make I calm down.
You see this matter, it not get where we know the be. Yeah, I've been following you even from when you and your sweethearts just follow.
So now this thing they do for the town.
I'm out there.
You know, just because they follow person up and down for the town.
You crazy as you not get work, that's why we not get work.
See, boy, I don't get your time, oh.
See what you go do.
You don't get your time like this.
Don't worry, run am. If you don't finish,
make I run am. Make I run waiting.
Sure.
Make I run waiting.
I see everything they work on.
See, I no get on time this afternoon. Wallahi.
Don't worry, if you finish, let me know. My guy, know.
Hello, Jerry.
Hi, Amanda. Well, thank you so much for coming out, at least honoring my invite. At least, why don't we just go somewhere and sit, talk, and maybe have a drink instead of standing on the streets?
Look, I'm not ready to have a drink with you. Can you tell me why you called me out here?
Amanda, how long will I keep begging you for this? I've been begging you. I've done everything, virtually everything possible to make you understand how I feel about you. Like every point in time I think about you, I dream, I dream about you.
Hold on, hold on, okay? I don't have time for this right now. I'm not ready to be in a relationship. I don't want it. I don't want to hear anything about it. Can you just let me be, please?
Honestly, I mean no harm. Seriously, Amanda, I like you a whole lot. I mean, it's okay, fine. No matter how long it takes, I'm ready to wait. Let's start up something. We can get acquainted. We can be hanging out. It's not all about getting intimate. It's just you and I.
Really?
Yes, please.
Okay. You can stay here and rehearse your lines with the trees and the birds and everything. Take care of yourself.
Amanda, Amanda.
A.M. My husband is still delayed. When are we going to meet up with early morning appointments? Eh? Oh. Honey! Honey! Please hurry. Honey! Please hurry.
Good morning, Mom.
Amanda, it's a shame, a big shame, that a lady like you is just waking up now. Look at the time. I woke up since 5 a.m. and I'm prepared and waiting for my husband. And you're just waking up.
Mom, I just woke up to help out in house chores, only to find out you're even done cooking. I'm sorry, Mom.
Do you realize you're no longer a child? Do you realize that? Soon, suitors will start lining up, asking for your hand in marriage. What you've learned from us now, that's what you're going to show them in future.
I'm sorry, Mommy.
Better.
Mommy, you taught me how to cook. You taught me how to be the woman I want to be tomorrow. And I promise you, Mom, you can never catch me lazing about tomorrow. God forbid.
Are you trying to patronize me? Huh? You know I'm so proud of you. But I want to be proud of you more. And I want this family, the entire family, to be proud of you.
Yes, Mom. Yes, Mommy. Mommy.
What?
What else? Mommy.
What?
Someone... Okay, someone is bugging the life out of me over some love tale, I don't know. What's your advice?
My advice is this. Look within. Okay? What does this person want? Do you have what this person wants? Friendship is not just about sex. It is about what you've learned and how you are going to impact this thing that you've learned on the opposite sex. Do you understand that?
Yes, Mommy.
Good.
Thank you, Mommy. You're the best. Thank you, Mommy.
Mario,
Leave me
I'm
alone.
talking to you, Mario.
Leave me alone.
Leave me alone. Talking to you, Mario. What's wrong with you?
Dad, I know what is good for me.
Oh, really?
Yes. I know I have to make this family proud. But not at my own detriment. I just want to be in this country and do my business.
What nonsense business are you talking about? Listen, you better go and look for somewhere to learn how to listen. I don't know where this is coming from. For crying out loud, I want all of you to graduate. How can you be here telling me that your certificate is not ready, yet you don't want to go and study abroad?
Dad, did you study abroad?
Excuse me?
Did you study abroad?
Can you stop that? Honey, please.
Did I study abroad?
All I'm asking for is my monthly allowance. Give me some cash.
Stop.
Wait for the monthly allowance. Let's go. Get out of my car.
Have a good day, Daddy.
Baby, take care, okay?
What is wrong with you?
Where you?
Honey?
What is it? Let's go.
Honey, can you listen to me?
Okay, what is it? What is it?
Please. I would rather you take this thing easy. Take these Mario issues easy because of your condition, please. Your health condition is more important to me. Mario is just being a child.
Oh, please, I won't have you say that. Mario is not a child as big as he is to say he's a child. He can impregnate a woman. So, because of my health conditions, I should allow my son rot away? He should just become wayward? I'm not going to give him that chance. It's not going to happen. Never. Never.
I see this like this. He's still your son no matter what.
Your son. Yes, your son, not mine.
Mine?
Oh, yes. That boy doesn't even know his roots. He doesn't know his background. He does not know his left from his right. And wait a minute, does he think I'm going to will my properties to him the way he behaves? It will never happen. It's not going to happen. He must still go abroad. If not, nothing for him at all.
If you ask me, I think you're stressed up already. Please. All I'm asking you to do is just to take it easy. Let's go, please. We'll talk about it later. Okay?
Why can't I let this girl be? Moreover, Kay is also interested in her. Oh man, this girl fine die. What can I do to have her? Oh, Amanda. If only you can read minds, you know how much I desire and value you. But what about Kay? What about him? It's not as if they are together. So nah. All man to himself. All malam to a kettle. I beg, let the best player win.
Everybody seems to be congratulating Amanda. What happens to me, the head of the family who provides everything? I'm the benefactor. Maria, what do you have to say? Well, I have great news for you. I've been posted abroad and I have plans of taking people along for at least 6 months. And when we return, I'm going to arrange to relocate you and Mario to any country of your choice.
You don't say.
I expected a peck from that.
There you go. Thank you so much. Let me not tell Mario.
Oh,
That's a great news.
What is it?
God, you're here. See, Mario. Dad is going to take us abroad in the next 6 months. Okay? Come, let's go meet him. Come, let's go meet him.
Meet who? I'm not interested. I'm not going anywhere. Let him invest that money on me here. I'm fine. I'm okay here.
What's wrong with you, Mario? What's wrong with you? See, Mario, this is our father's wish. We have to adhere to it and make him happy. Okay? I'm talking to you and you're pressing your phone. Listen, Mario. You know your father is hypertensive. And this might just be a way for him to cool off and make us relax. Okay? And we've never been abroad before, so this could be a golden opportunity for us. Come on, Mario, don't be like that.
Tough. I think you have been brainwashed by that I was stingy father. Don't be deceived.
Our stingy father. You know our father is not stingy and I'm not being brainwashed. You're just letting me stop, Mario.
Enough now. Where's our father? I want to go and see him now. Dad!
What's wrong with this guy? Mario! Mario!
So, Mario, what is this thing that just couldn't wait till after my wife and I have finished our quiet time? You have to bring it to the bank.
Dad, Mom, is going abroad the best option?
If you don't want to go, me, I want to go.
Okay. You can take Amanda along with you. Go with Mom, but camp me out. If you know my own part of tomorrow, just give it to me. Let me focus on my own musical career.
What?
Here.
Mario, the problem I have with you is that you don't understand the vision that I have for you. I'm your father. We're your parents. We want the best for you. We want you to attain the best in your career. What kind of musician do you want to be?
Good musician.
Honestly, you want to be a good musician? Good. When you go abroad, you go to school, further your studies, you'll become a professional. If now you want to face music as a career, go ahead, but you'll become a professional musician. Or what do you want to do? You want to become a ballad musician, those who sing during funerals and naming ceremonies, that kind of musician you want to be.
Why don't you listen to me? You want the best for you. There's no how any of us is going to lead you astray, or even your sister. Listen to your dad, please.
I mean, you keep talking about music. Yes, we want you to be the best, be a professional musician. Look at Amanda, she wants to be a pharmacist. When she goes, she comes back, she becomes a professional pharmacist, opens a pharmacy, and then makes her money.
It's Amanda. Me, I want to be a musician here. I'm not going anywhere.
We're not saying you won't be a musician. What we're talking about is be a professional musician, have educational background so that you can do well in your career. Not some stupid musician that is just walking around the place. Come on. I don't know how else to explain this thing to you.
She wants, not me. My music is here in this country.
Okay, no problem. You want to do music? You need to prove it to me. Sing me 2 songs. 1, sing 1. We're listening, we're all ears. We're in the room, we're not anywhere else. Sing me 1 song. Sing me 1 song.
He's not even saying anything.
I've never heard you sing, not even a choir song anyway.
Can you imagine that this man does not want to give me this money? Why he want this education, go abroad, go this one? I am tired.
Well, my brother, I would advise you do as they wish. Because you never can tell. Apparently, he wants to prepare you to be the next CEO or managing director of his company.
CEO what? That man does not have any company anywhere. He's just a shareholder.
Are you serious? Then apparently he's preparing you to become a shareholder. Well, the truth is, I think it's easier to be a CEO, to be a stakeholder, or one of the board of trustees than to be a CEO. It's better that way.
I don't know what I'm talking about. See, I want to change the game plan.
Yeah. Madam! You fine. You fine. You fine. Steady. Finest define you. If I just see you like this, you won't get a hot period with you. You give me so we can give you my belly. If you do tomato, I'm not going to use to chop rice. You fine. See, if I marry as wife, if I come back from work, soup never ready, my pirate will soon at your laps. No!
You know I really like you.
I like you too. See, I like you. Say, if say I did when God they create me, I for say me leave my mother make you bomb me. What are you not saying? See, tell your family may they travel. So they will leave me and you go do this compound. Mubamwa. And I'm Puma. I will almost go one hour. I am Mukata. Federal government will come forward.
No. It's not that kind of likeness. It's just natural mutual friendship, that's all.
Mutual friendship?
Yes.
Finish?
Yes.
No problem. No problem. Onye mechi. No problem. Because I dey here, they open gate, they wash car, they drive. No problem. It's a free word. If say I be innocent pikin, you go reason my matter like this? No, will you think of looking at me like this? Say na you innocent born me. Or if say I make off on my younger brother, you go talk to me like this? Or just say imagine say capital oil, say na you supposed senior my mother. You for not talk like this. Or peradventure say you money just call me say elder brother. You will not talk to me like this. But who knows tomorrow? I dey open gate today. Tomorrow, you feel even beg my gate man say you won't see me. Because you're not doing well by that time.
It's okay, Saka. I'm sorry. I don't need to make you sad. It's okay. I'm sorry.
Yeah. If you're sorry, give me a hug. Give your security a hug so that you know that you're not looking down on him.
Is that all?
At least we'll start from that time. You know that good money leads to how are you.
That's all. Let me give you some sugar. It's okay, Saka.
Let me die here.
It's okay.
Seriously, babe, I called you out to really tell you that I can't really stop thinking about you. I truly love you, seriously.
See, Kay, I understand these things, but I don't want to be in any relationship right now. I want to focus on my studies, make something out of my life, you know. Then, after all that, relationship can follow, please. I'm serious about it.
Okay, please, can I drop you off?
No, don't worry, I'll just take a walk. My house is not really far from here, so I'll be fine.
Please.
Not to worry, I'll be fine, Kay. Take care of yourself, alright? Daddy, why would you think of something like that? Why would you sleep and fall down?
Just a game, come on.
Daddy can be so mischievous sometimes.
Like father, like daughter.
You, eh? You imagine?
I say he's going to win again. No way.
Who knows?
I think you're my window.
Oh,
You have a lot of fans.
who is that? That looks like Mario.
He's not enjoying it. Maybe he prefers to share somebody.
Most likely. Finish watching this one and watch his match.
Yes.
Talent.
Wait.
What's wrong with you?
See, Mario, I respect you as my elder brother, but that does not give you the right to speak to me in so disrespectful manner. What has come over you?
How dare you talk to your elder brother like that? You dare talk to your elder brother like that?
Hey, what is going on here? What is it?
Maybe nothing. We're just arguing about something like that.
Can you imagine this girl talking to me with her lousy mouth?
Mario, when will you ever learn to control your temper? It's not everything a woman says that you should respond to.
Come back here. If you take one more step, I'm going to deal with you right here and now. Will you come back here? Have you gone mad? Or is something wrong with you?
No, but
Shut up! See, don't you ever